And just like that, guys, we're on day 2 of working on this table project. Last night I went ahead and tried to fit these in and then put the 2x4s behind there, and it hasn't turned out exactly how I wanted. Like, it looks really good, I like it. And then, you know, this little piece will go here and something like that, and then there's going to be one at the bottom too, and of course the wheels propping it up. The only problem is this pegboard, I cut it just a little too wide, and so there's kind of gaps in between the board here and the rest of the frame. I didn't attach this pegboard on this side yet, so thank goodness I can manipulate that one just a little bit, but I have to take this out. And also made the mistake of not drilling a pilot hole for this board, so there's like a little crack in this board. So I'm thinking about recutting another board and replacing that one. So guys, I have the end pegboard pieces put in, and then the 2x4s holding them behind. As you can see, it's a little bit unstable and probably not exactly square, which is expected. I mean, this is just a bunch of 2x4s thrown together. So what I thought about doing is like putting in a cross brace along here to help balance it out, and cutting these angles here, you know, and cross, maybe just see what that'll do. So guys, I tried fitting in a cross brace, and while it helps it be flatter on the floor, it also sacrifices the squareness of the actual table. So, without the brace, actually it's very square, just kind of how it is. So, I'm just going to leave it alone, and whenever I put the wheels on, then I can adjust the wheels, you know, maybe make one higher than the other, something like that, to make it flat on the floor. But oh well. but it's not really wasted time, just kind of a learning process.
So basically, guys, all this is me putting more and more screws into the table, mostly like at the joints and places where I feel like screws are needed. I just left a very quick clip here because that's all this is just putting a lot more screws in.
So as I've tightened up the screws and put more screws in, it's actually gotten a lot better, like flat to the floor. Like it has a little wiggle to it, but not nearly what it used to have. So I'm very happy about that. So guys, here's what I have done. I put in like a cross piece here so that whenever I put on the plywood, it won't flex too bad, because I'm actually not going to have it cover this back 2x4. That's going to be kind of open. I'm just going to lay it across these, and if I need to, I can always put in a piece there right beside that long 2x4 to help support it in the back. But I put in these ripped down strips of 2x4 to put the pegboard up against on this side. And I'm also going to put a rip piece right there, and then also right here. and so that'll hold in the pegboard just fine. But that does it for today, and I guess I will see you in just a second on day 3 working on this.